Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel 3D Parametric Solid Model Drawings. Today we will create an Anvil model in SolidWorks. Now we are showing two images of this model so that you can understand what this component will look like at the end. If you want to get the file of this model, I have given the link address in the description of my video. By visiting that link, you can get it easily. Okay, that's it. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, we will create a new part file in SolidWorks. Click OK. Alright. Now choose the top plane, sketch. Okay. We will start the center point rectangle from the part origin. And its height will keep 12 inches and width will keep 8 inches. Okay, alright. Now we will select these two vertical lines and convert into construction geometry. We draw two vertical lines over the both endpoints of the rectangle like this. We will draw an arc on here to connect the sketch lines. Now we will fix the equal relation between these two lines. Okay. And its length will keep 1.456 inches. Fix the radius of the arc 6.772 inches. We will draw a center construction line from the part origin. Okay. And create a mirror of these two lines and arc over the opposite side by selecting the center line. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Rotate the model in isometric view. Now select the sketch line and activate the Extruded Boss Base command. Fix the depth value 2 inches and click OK. Now see here, my first extruded boss base feature has been created on here. Now we will change the color of the model like this. Select the custom color from here that we created previously. Click OK, it's looking perfect. And save the part file with the name Anvil. Click save. Okay, that's it. Now we will select the top plane and activate the plane command from here. Set the offset distance value 7.5 inches. And click OK. Start the sketch over this plane. Now choose the top view. And create a center point rectangle from the part origin. Its height will keep 7 inches and width will keep 5 inches. Okay, alright. We will create a point over this rectangle and fix the dimension 1.456 inches between these 2 points. Now we will create another point over the opposite side of the sketch. And we have select these 2 points and apply horizontal relation on over it. We will draw a horizontal construction line from the part origin. and create a mirror of these sketch points over the opposite side. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Hide the visibility of the work plane, okay, and activate the plane command. Now we will create a tilted work plane on here. Select this one and this one. Now see the result. Okay, that's it. Let's start the sketch over this plane. We will draw an arc between these two endpoints of the feature like this, and its radius will keep 12 inches. Now create another arc over the second point that we had done previously. And apply the same radius over this arc. Create a center construction line over the part origin. And we will create a mirror of these sketches by using mirror entities command. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will rotate the model in the opposite side. Okay, and now we will make the same work plane and sketch on here that we had done just now. Okay, now my sketch is completed on here. We will activate the Lofted pause base command from here. In the Loft dialog box, first of all, we will select the top rectangle and then next select the top face of the previous feature that will be called as profiles. Okay, that's it. And now select this arc. Okay. Now choose open loop option. Click OK. We will select each arc one by one on here. Select this one. Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Okay, alright. In the same manner, we will select total 8 arcs on here. Now you can see here my 8 arcs are listed here under the guides curve box. Click OK to finish the command. Okay, that's it. Now see here my first Lofted boss base feature has created here. It's looking perfect. The most difficult features can be made easily in with the help of the guide curves by using the Loft tool. This tool is very beneficial for making these types of features. Okay, let's start the sketch over the top face of the Anvil model, and we will take the project of this face. Okay, activate the Extruded boss base command and fix the depth value 1 inch. Click OK. Now see. Now we will create a new plane at an offset distance value 5.5 inches from this face. Okay, let's start the sketch over this plane. Now draw a rectangle on here and fix the width of the rectangle 5 inches. Select this line and the bottom edge and fix the collinear relation on over it. Okay, finish the sketch. We will close the visibility of this work plane and create a new sketch over the side face of the model. Draw an arc between these 2 points and its radius will keep 18 inches. Now create another arc over the opposite side. Okay. Fix the equal relation on these 2 arcs. Okay, finish the sketch. In the same manner, we will draw 2 arcs over the opposite side of the model. We will create another loft feature by selecting these guide curves. Okay, that's it. Let's create a line over the side face like this. Finish the sketch and activate the split line tool from here. Now we will select the side face of the model and click OK. Now see, this face of the model is split on here. In the same way, we will split another face over the opposite side of the model. We will create a new plane at an offset distance value 16 inches from the front plane. Okay, alright. Let's start the sketch over this plane. Now choose the front view and take the project of the top edge and convert the sketch into construction geometry. We will draw a circle on here and its diameter will keep 1 inch. Apply the tangent relation between the circle and this projected line. and fix the vertical relation between the circle and midpoint of the top edge. We will create a horizontal line from the center of the circle. And trim the circle like this. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will create another sketch on this plane. And take the project of this line and curves. Convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Now rotate the model in this position. Close the visibility of the back sketch. Okay. We will draw a spline on here like this. Now we will select the end points of the spline and apply the horizontal relation between them. Okay, we will create one more line to close the spline. And fix the dimension 2.75 inches between this point and the top edge. Okay, finish the sketch. Let's start the project curve command from here. Okay, and select the sketch. Now select this curved surface of the Anvil model and choose the reverse projection option on here and click OK. Now see the result. We will activate the 3D sketch tool from here. And draw a 3D line and spline on the projected curve. Okay, finish the sketch. Close the visibility of the projected curve. Okay, open the visibility of sketch 1. Now we will activate the Lofted boss base command from here and select the sketch geometries on here. And click OK. Now see. Let's start a new sketch over this plane. Create a line on here. Okay. Now we will draw a circle on here. Trim the circle like this. Okay, finish the sketch. Hide the visibility of sketch 13 and sketch 11. Okay, and open the visibility of sketch 12. We will create a new sketch on the plane 5. Now we will create the reverse sketch of the spline which you are showing in the design window. Okay, alright. We will create a horizontal line over this projected line. And draw a spline like this. Okay, finish the sketch. Now take the project of the sketch over the curved surface of the model like this that we had done previously. Okay. We will create a 3D line and spline over the projected sketch. Okay, that's it. Now we will create another lofted boss base feature on here that we had done earlier. Now see the result. It looks great. We will create a sketch over the top face. Draw a center construction line over the part origin. Now we will create a triangle on here. Its height will keep 10 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Choose right plane, sketch. Draw a vertical line on the top point of the triangle. Its length will keep 1.5 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will activate the 3D sketch tool. Okay. Create another triangle on here like this. Okay, finish the sketch. Activate the Lofted boss base command. At first, we will select the top and bottom triangles on here. And then next, select these two curves and this vertical line. Click OK to finish the command. We will create a new sketch over this face. Okay. Draw a central construction line over the part origin. Now create a center point rectangle over this line. Its height will keep 1 inch. And draw a circle on here. Its diameter will also keep 1 inch. Apply 2 more dimensions on here to fully define the sketch. Okay, finish the sketch. Let's start the Extruded Cut command. Okay, select the sketch. And fix the depth value 1 inch and click OK. See, my 2 slots are created over the Anvil model. Rotate the model in this position. Create a new sketch over this face. Okay, now we will create a horizontal line on here. Its length will keep 4.5 inches. Fix the vertical relation between the midpoint of this line and part origin. Okay, activate the text tool from here. Okay. Now select the sketch line. Type the text over the text input box. And change the font format and size from here. Click OK. Finish the sketch. Now select the sketch line Let's start the wrap tool. Okay, then next we will select the curved surface of the model. It will keep as wrapping face. And click OK. Now see the result. Now select the wrap feature and change the color of this feature as red. Okay, that's it. It is looking perfect. Finally, my Anvil part has been completed here in SolidWorks. Save the part file. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you may like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Okay friends, goodbye.